How come he doesn't have like, you know how like
I've already.
babies don't have hair over here?
I don't know. He get that from his dad. But I'm on my video, so stop talking about the baby. I've been put in the first bundle. This is my little man. Big man. Say hi. Hi. I really need to. I really need. I need you to hold the camera right here. Yeah. Up like that. Yeah. Putting you to work. So I can show. Is this the next bundle right here? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh wait, it's cut up like this? Who cut this hair up like this? I didn't cut this hair up like this yet. Okay. It's okay. I'm just wondering. Cut your hair? Did I cut your hair like this too?
If it's not like this straight, because I don't think that's straight, right?
No, it's wavy.
Yeah. If it is, yeah, maybe. Because the straight one, that's the one that is still named from when Darwin did a massacre.
You did a massacre.
On my hair. Remember how it was cut off?
Yeah, sure.
We took it away.
Okay. I don't know if they can see this, but
I don't know.
when I like to go through the weft, I don't like the going over top. Stop, Ronnie, you make me mess up my words. Goodness. I don't like going over the top of the weft. I actually like going through the weft. I don't know. It doesn't do anything to my tracks when I put my own sewing up. Do you feel like when I go through your weft, it messes up the...
When you go through the weft?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I don't think so. I thought that's what you're supposed to do.
Now, some people go over the top.
How?
They just, like, go over the top. Like, I don't know. They just do. I've seen some videos.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if I'm it's facing you.
Yeah. I don't know. It's like my camera is kind of cloudy. Let me wipe it off. This is trial and error, so. There we go. Okay, yeah. It was a little dusty. The camera is much better now. And this is my friend. I don't feel bad making her hold the camera.
My hands are really tired. I haven't even held it up for 2 seconds.
Me and you both need to get in the gym then.
Huh?
Me and you both need to get in the gym.
Mm-hmm.
It just laid. Big man, stop being so aggressive over there with that toy. Okay, like I said, I like to go through the weft. Okay. It's already 3 minutes. Wow. Okay, and then I go through the weft. Sometimes it's kind of hard, but I go through it. Now, if it is too hard, I won't go through it. And then I loop through.
You gotta say you double
pull
track it. You double track it.
Oh, yeah. I'm also double tracking. Yeah, I'm new to this. I'm an amateur. But yeah. It's laying. And when I do it this way, you don't have to have the spaces so close together. So, yeah.
Right, it could be spaced out. That's true.
Mm-hmm. You don't have to be right on top of each other. Or, I mean, not on top of each other, right? Next to each other. Ooh. Yeah, he's over there having a good time. Okay, I'm gonna let you stop, but I just want to show that part. But we're doing good.
Whew! I really do need the gym.